Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure OpenAI API for lead scoring automation, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by signing up for an OpenAI account if you haven't already. Once your account is set up, navigate to the API section on the OpenAI website. Here, you will find the option to generate your API key. Make sure to copy this key and store it in a secure location. Next, open your preferred coding environment or text editor. In this environment, create a new file for your API configuration. Start by installing the required libraries for making API requests. For Python, you can use the requests library. Use the command pip install requests in your terminal to install it. Now, in your new file, import the requests library. Next, set your API key as a variable in your script. This is done by assigning your copied API key to the variable. Once you have the API key, you are ready to compose your first API request. Define the endpoint URL for the OpenAI API. This typically looks like https://api.openai.com/v1/lead . Now, structure your request payload with the relevant lead scoring data. This includes any features you want to score, such as demographics or interaction history. After creating the payload, set up the headers for your request. Include your API key in the headers for authentication. The headers should look something like this: authorization, fbearer, your _API _key, content type, application/JSON. Once your request structure is set, use the requests.post method to send your API request. Pass in your endpoint URL, headers, and the payload you created. Now, capture the response from the API call. Check if the request was successful by examining the status code. If the call was successful, parse the response data to extract the lead scores. Store these lead scores in a database or another storage solution for further analysis. You may want to implement logging to track your requests and responses. This will help in debugging any issues that may arise down the line. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.